Welcome! My name is Jacqueline and I'm here to teach you how to make bath bombs. I'd like to introduce you to safety precautions that I take when making my products. I use a hairnet so no hair falls into my product, face mask so I don't breathe into my products, and gloves to keep everything clean. So the tools that you will need to make bath bombs is stainless steel bowl, a sieve, measuring cup, spoons, and soap mold. The products that we need to make the bath bombs is baking soda, citric acid, French yellow clay, witch hazel, and lavender essential oils. So let's make bath bombs. Just so that you all know, all my tools have been cleaned with hydrogen peroxide 3%. So we will need 2 cups of baking soda. And I like to put the baking soda through a sieve. And I like to put essential oils in and scent my baking soda. I find sometimes that with the essential oils you get a few little bumps, so I like to work those out. 1 cup of citric acid, and the citric acid is what makes the fizz in the bath bombs. Make sure that the scent is mixed in well. An interesting fact about lavender essential oil is not only is it relaxing, but it's also balancing for the skin. Next, I get my witch hazel. I start spraying. I add the yellow clay, teaspoon for color. Okay, so mix until you get a consistency where it just sticks together, and pack into the molds. And just so you know, the French clay is detoxing. So just put the bath bombs on, this is parchment paper. And leave your bath bombs to sit out overnight so that they can dry. And this is the finished product. Here's an idea of how to package your bath bombs. I have some Gosselin bags, and just put the bath bomb in. And I bought these tags at the dollar store. Use your imagination, you can do whatever you want. I just tie on the tag. And you have a nice gift for somebody or a gift for yourself. Enjoy. It smells amazing in here. Too bad we couldn't have smell-o-vision. Is distributed. And make sure the scent is dispersed about